Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. So we are back again with yet another review video. So this time guys, we have the GoPro Hero Black 12. So this product was recently launched in September. So we have got this product for you as a review, as many people wanted to go ahead and check this product out. Many people are willing to buy this product, so you wanted me to review on it. So yes guys, we have got this product. We will be reviewing this product. Also guys, there were many of you have requested to review the Hero GoPro Black 11 as well, because the 11 had a good discount on it. There was a huge price difference, which yes, somewhat differences in the product. So you will get to see the Hero GoPro 11 video review as well. So now guys, so this is the product which I have gone ahead and purchased it from Amazon. Now this product is available in Amazon and Flipkart both. So I did not get much of a discount. Now guys, this is a 24 month, that is 2 years warranty product that I have got. As of yet, a 1 year warranty product is not available online. Yes, you can get that product at offline markets. It's available online. All the products of Hero GoPro Black 12 which is available is for 24 months, 1 year domestic and 1 year international warranty. Now this is how the product looks like, the packaging of the product guys. Some of the key features that are mentioned over here you can see. Now let us quickly go ahead and unbox the product and let us see what are the things that we are getting inside this box. Okay, there is a barcode over here as well. So first things first guys, after opening the box, last time, or what we can see, that in Hero GoPro 11, GoPro was providing a pouch or a box, a black box material, but this time they have not given any kind of a pouch. They have given a white or a product holding box like this. As you can see, the black color box in which you can use it as a carry case later on, they have not given it this time. So yes, there is a cost cutting in terms of that, because last time this was provided inside that carry case box. Now they have provided this thing, but the carry box, they have removed it. There is a GoPro branding on the top. This is how the box looks like. Okay, let me quickly open it. Okay, there is a branding over here as well. Let us see what are we getting. Your camera must be updated before you. Some instruction manual and literature, you can see. Okay, now they have, the quick app, which is a very important app for GoPro. It's a very important thing. So they have gone ahead and provided the installation. You can edit on the video, you can live download the videos while you're recording it from the GoPro. So this is a very important app. And yes, how to apply the mounts on the helmet and things that are given over here. Also, there are some of the stickers, GoPro stickers, they've shared with us as well. Now for best performance camera, how should you protect it, they have given the manual. If you need any instructions for setup query, they have given a manual as well. So now let us keep these things aside. So we have a Type-C to USB cable first, which they have provided. Okay. The mount accessories. Here is the battery. Now this is all-weather better performing battery guys. It can perform great under, it can perform really well under cold temperatures as well, -degrees. So we will talk about this battery in detail. Now this is the helmet mount guys that they have given to us by GoPro. There's another mount, so which they're there, and other mounts guys is available in the market. You can just get it from the market. It's not that expensive. You can get them. Official GoPro products are expensive. If you're looking for a compatible GoPro products, you will get them in the market. Just go for a product which has a good review, so because you can understand GoPro, it will be attached so that the product can hold the GoPro properly. Okay, so here is the GoPro guys. When I've taken in the hand, on first hand feel, it feels a bit slight heavy and a slight big, even though its dimensions are almost the same. So this is how the packaging is. It's has a dual display over here and here. This is the camera, so you can see. Okay, so you have just unwrapped it. So this is how the GoPro is looking, guys. I'm not taking the lens cover off right now because first we will connect the screen guards and then we will take it off. So this is the power on and off button, guys. This is the shutter. So this time there is a change. As you can see over here, you have a punch hole given over here this time, which was not there, so you can directly mount your GoPro directly to any holder or something, so it is easier. Now this is the place where you need to put in the battery. This is the on and off button, and this is the place where you need to put in the battery. We will be doing that. So this is the all-weather battery, the new updated battery, which performs very well under cold temperatures. Okay, so now let us quickly go ahead and open the GoPro and see how it is looking. So this is how the GoPro is looking, guys. You can see there is a GoPro branding over here. There is a sensor over here. I've applied all the 3 screen guards. Now I'll just quickly go ahead and connect the memory cards, and I'll also go ahead and connect the battery. So as you can see, guys, so this is the battery. This is where you need to put in the micro SD port, and this is the charging type C port also given over here, guys. Okay, so now I've done the setup. I've applied the screen guards, put the battery inside, I've put the memory card inside. Now I'm going to press this button, as you can see over here, to turn the GoPro on. Let us see what is the first thing we get to see. So you can see there's visual coming. The GoPro has turned on. It's a normal setup that we need to go through. Let me just quickly go through the setup, guys. Okay, so once you come to the Google Play Store and you download the GoPro Quick, this is the app. Now you need to click on open. So now the app is opening up. So this is the app. Now we need to either create an account or you need to sign in. If you have an account, you can sign in, or else you need to create an account. I have an account with GoPro because of my Hero GoPro 11, so I'll just sign in with my Google account. So it's trying to pair with the GoPro. So as you can see, now it's connected. Now I have to name the GoPro to give some name. Okay, so here you can see that you have to go through the updates. So let's click on continue. So normal, some fixes, bugs and all. Let's see how long it takes to get it connected. So this time we have with us a GoPro cover case, another GoPro accessories. So this is from the brand called Telison, guys. As you can see, this I've got this from Amazon. This has costed me $4.99. If you're having a GoPro, guys, so I recently purchased the GoPro Hero 12 Black. This is a must, guys, I can tell you. So this is how the case is looking. You have a pinhole at the bottom, so that even if your tripod is connected with the GoPro, you can keep it attached. You don't need to open the GoPro all the time. So this is how it opens, guys. As you can see, you have a microfiber and cloth over here in it. As you can see, quality is good. At the price point, I purchased it, guys, from Amazon's $4.50. I think it's not a bad product, even though I would have been more happy with the chain, the option to have a full chain. So if you can attach one chain over here, you can use it for both the functions. That would have been better. But yeah, other than that, this is a good product, guys. Okay guys, now let us see how this product is fitting in the GoPro. So here you can see that I have the GoPro Hero 12. Let us see how it's fitting. Is the fitting done is it fitting properly? So you can see there is a cut hole for the camera given. Soft microfibric material over here. Quality is good, so I'm putting it over here. Now let's see how this is fitting. Perfect guys, it's fitting the size, the brand. You're getting a hole over here, so if you want to use it with the case, so that is why this is there. This feature over here, see, now you can connect the stand and you can keep it attached to it like this also, or if you want you can put it down. Yes, you can say that they could have given an option to pull the chain properly over here, but that option they have not given. And also the price point, we are dealing with 450 rupees. I think it's not a bad product. Yes, could have been better if they had the chain was full, but never mind. I'm satisfied. I'm totally happy with it. I won't say that I'm not happy with this product. So with that we come to the end of today's video. Put in your comments, give your suggestions. If you have any queries, put it on the comment section so that we can reach out to you with your queries. Thank you.